Hey guys, welcome back to the Thompson season. Today we are doing a Nickelodeon slime video. Now we are going to get this bad boy open with the help of my mom.
Okay.
This is very fun. Move these out the way. So there's a mixing bowl. And there's all the things on the table.
Always use scissors.
I know, because that's the fastest thing.
No, Zuri, these are not kids' scissors. Can't play with them.
My mommy's going to open the bag. And it has containers. Mommy, this is the slime activating glue.
Yes. So here you go. You can take them out.
I have this. I have the activator. These cups. And this is for the glue. And I have these paints right here. I'm doing that right, getting it out right now. And I have 3 clear glue, 2 clear glue. So now we're just going to get it started.
Are these color changing slime?
Yeah,
It says color change slime.
yeah, it's color changing slime. So now we first have to put some glue in.
Okay. Are you sure? Because
Yes, I'm
this is
sure.
expert slime maker.
I know.
It says directions. Getting started. Find a clean, flat surface to work on. Protect your work surface with paper towels on a newspaper before starting. Well, we're okay.
Yeah.
Directions for making slime. Measure 15 ml of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup. Okay, let's make sure. Is that the right one? So,
Yep.
15 ml is right here.
So, okay, 15 ml.
Yes.
Let's get to there.
Yes.
Okay. We don't got time.
It was closed. Okay. Cover it back.
I'm not picking your nose. I just have a booger.
You have a booger.
Yes, but I'm not.
Just pick it up. Hurry.
Got it, got it. It's so hard. Is it this?
15.
Nope. It's not this. It's not 15.
Let's see. Want some help?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna have the help of my mommy.
Okay, that's 15.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it in. We need more. We need another 15, Mom.
It just says one, baby.
One, go for 15.
So it says measure 25 ml of water.
So we need water. Mommy, go get the water. Mommy, going to get the water.
What did I say? 25? That's full. There you go.
Thank you. Put it in.
Add 1 full spoonful of colorant to the bowl with glue and water. So this is colorant. So which colorant would you like to use?
This one.
Of course, she's going to use this colorant.
Love the colored pen.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. Oh, I like pink. Whoa.
Guys, it already started changing to yellow.
Okay.
Stir the mixture of blue water and additive with the slime stick until fully blended. Where's the slime stick?
Do we just use this?
Yeah, but let's just follow the directions for the first time in our lives.
Mommy, it's just we can use it.
Yeah,
a lot of
just
people
stir it
just use
around
that.
like this.
A lot of people use that.
I know, Zuri, but we don't always have to do what other people do.
Thank you. Is it already turning to yellow?
It's completely yellow.
Alright, so now I need to add some of this.
Wait, it says so 5 ml. You gotta really mix it, Zuri.
I know. It looks like, Mommy, it looks like scrambled eggs.
Mixing it up.
Mommy, it looks like scrambled eggs.
Yeah, it does look like scrambled eggs.
Now I need to add the activator.
So how much did I say again of the activator? 5.
Alrighty, so let's make sure that it does not.
Well, I took the paper off for you already. So look for 5.
Wait, shouldn't we wash it out?
It's just water and glue. It's all going in anyway. I think.
Mommy.
You know what?
What?
I could have sworn I took this off. It's literally like stuck in there. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here.
Thank you. Whoa, you guys
It's
are
already
turning into
slime.
slime.
Can you like, let me see.
Look at that. Is already turning into slime.
I like the slime.
I'm gonna touch it with my hands now.
Okay. I'm gonna rinse this off so we could do another color.
Yeah. Another color of slime? Well, we still have more glue, so yeah, we can.
Yeah, we had, and then we have, look, they gave us uno, dos, tres, cuatro little containers to put it in.
Mommy, I think we're gonna need more of the activator.
No, that's slime enough. Remember, because we have 2 other colors to make. So I wonder what does it need to be to get back to the original color? Do you think it needs to be like hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot? Because it's kind of chilled right now.
Yeah, so it's hot.
Okay. So you want to put that in the jar?
Yes. Okay. I'm gonna put it in this one. Okay, my hands are sticky, but that's the whole point of slime. Yeah, it's so messy, you guys.
Alright, so what was the first thing we did?
So we first added glue. Oh! So we first added glue.
So add some glue.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens when we do it without the directions this time making slime. Okay, so Zuri's just pouring glue.
Wait, wasn't we supposed to do it in the measuring cup?
Yeah, we're seeing how it turns out without using the measuring cup. I think that's enough.
Yeah, but okay.
Okay, and then we had to mix the colors. I'll rinse this again.
Alright, and I'm gonna use purple.
Okay, so let's close this
Because
one.
that's my second favorite color.
We like the purple.
We
like the purple. I actually like purple too.
Okay, I got this. Let's see what color this will turn into. Oh, it's not really turning.
Well, you're not supposed to mix it yet, remember?
Yeah.
We still had to add the water. So we'll use this for the water.
Okay, here we go. That's my favorite color. I've never looked so much purple.
I'm just gonna let you guys see while she's mixing it. Sorry.
Guys, this is my color. This is my favorite color, and I'm gonna start by mixing it a little.
Alright, now we have to put. Sorry.
Now we're going to put the activator right here. Wait, is this the activator? That's
slime
fine.
activator. Wait, where's the cover?
Wait, remember?
We only need a little of the activator.
Mommy,
not a lot.
look. Oh, no. Mommy. Oh, you took it out. How did you take it out?
I fought with it, and I guess it just was like, you know what? Let me just get out for this lady.
Like one whole glass.
Probably.
It's gonna be a little. Guys, it's like it's my favorite color. Did we have my blue because it looks watery a little too much.
Did we put too much water? Sure, add some more glue.
Okay.
So clearly, when you don't follow the directions, this is what happens.
So we're gonna add some more glue.
Let's see, it's very slimy. Oh, and it's hard. I think we put too much activator.
So we're going to add some more glue. You see if it will save our day.
Okay.
Glue save us, glue, glue, glue. Alright, let me try. Guys, I will try it up my hand. It's so sticky already. What's not? This one isn't that sticky, but it's actually very sticky. This one is actually very sticky. This one's actually very sticky.
Slimy.
Slimy. Okay. Hey guys, I'm really just getting this together. And there's a little perfect strand, a purple strand.
See, there's a lot of water left over.
Yeah. So we're just gonna have to rinse that out and make our last one.
Okay, I'll rinse this out.
Mommy, it's really starting to come together, but this one isn't. Probably not that one isn't.
Here, pass me that paper towel right there.
Whoa! Making slime is fun. Making slime is
really,
fun.
really.
While we're making a video, you say. Oh, good. So guys, you should. Mommy, ready to get this one?
Target,
Yeah.
Same day delivery. They got her in 2 hours.
2 hours. And delete.
Glue.
Good. Already. So you don't want to. I'm just gonna take off the top. But Mommy, it's hard.
Here's our marker. Zuri, that is way too much.
Mommy, it's okay.
It's okay.
I'm just trying to fill in this. I don't want to fill in it. It's slime. Slime is meant to be messy, right? Okay. Wait, take mouse paper away.
Slime. We like
We're
slime.
gonna do aqua now.
I wish when I was growing up, I knew we had like kits to make slime. We didn't have kits to make slime. We would go to like those quarter machine thingies, and you put a quarter in, and you would get like a little slime in the thing. And then before you knew it, it had like hair and dirt and everything in it. But it's pretty cool that you guys get to do all of these projects.
And I got it.
We should have guessed what color changer it changes into. That would have been cool.
It's a little more. Because those 3 colors Mommy, this is probably going to make a yellow, I think.
Hey.
Oh, what is it? It's not really making anything. Okay, I'm going to
Activator.
Activator. Let's mix. This one didn't really make anything.
The baby wake up.
This
Hi,
one?
baby.
Mommy, I think we did it over again.
Oh, how come this one didn't change colors?
Maybe we can add one of these.
I think that... Oh, maybe that one just turns to a lighter. Yeah, you can add one of those colors if you want.
Yeah. You already know I'm going to add this one.
Didn't change colors, guys.
Yeah, but we're going to make it turn colors.
Mm-hmm.
With this. With a dab of this, maybe it will turn. Basically, it's turning gray.
Mm-hmm.
Well, at least it's still a color.
It's a different color.
But
It doesn't have to be a color that we like. The other two colors were colors that we really liked, right?
yeah, this one just looks like boogers.
Can I try mixing it?
Yeah, I'm sorry you're making it funny. Maybe we should add a little more slime activator.
I think the activator is what's making it so hard. Maybe a little more glue.
Yeah, a little more glue. I think add this more glue.
Coco woke up. No, don't cry. Can't bring her. She's like, I waved at her and she started crying.
So this is how we're gonna do it. With me, I love making slime. Just
Do you have a problem? Do you have a problem? Daddy doesn't want to be seen.
Daddy, it's okay. Guys, I added some more glue. And I think this activator is what is making it too hard.
Yeah. I think you have to be really precise when you're using the activator.
Well, this one just wasn't sticky. Wow. I'm gonna just call this one Dirt Booger.
Dirt booger.
Yeah, I'm gonna,
It's almost the same color as Coco Passy.
it was. It was. Wait, Mommy. I'm gonna let it sit by the light.
Let's see.
Let it sit by the light. Let's see if it can. Gaga, no, get out! So, guys, this one didn't really turn,
No.
but it's doing funny.
Well, that's our slime video.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go.
Thank you guys for watching this Thompson video. And now,
Thompson season.
well, thank you guys for watching this Thompson season. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. So, bye.
See you soon.